Okay, so today we're looking at the volume of pyramids and the volume of cones. So you need to write some things down. Just bearing in mind that when you do exams, I want to tell you, or test or anything like that, you will get a formula sheet with these formulas on, but obviously you need to know what to do with them. All right, so you're going to look at your area of your base times your height, and you divide it by 3. On the formula sheet, you're probably going to get a third area times base times height. Okay, that's one that you're probably going to see. I prefer to use this one. As long as you show you're working out and show what you're doing and write out your formula, it's okay to use that. So what do they mean? So if we're looking at this, is obviously a cone. So we're looking at the base of that, and then the height. And remember, we always measure our height with our straight ruler. We don't lean to the side. It's always exactly 100%, 180 degrees. Okay. And over here is our base, and there again, our straight height. So if we have a look at the volume of the cone, okay, so here we've got 3 centimeters as our radius, and we've got 8 centimeters as our height. Don't get confused if they ever give you this. This is not what we want our height. So what we do is we go volume is equal to the area of our base times our height. Now, how do we get the area of our base? Well, we would go pi times 3 squared, okay, times by our height, which is 8, divided by 3. So you start off with writing out what you're going to do, then you sub in your values, and you calculate, and you get 75.4 centimeters cubed. Okay, let's have a look, and if we see this is now a pyramid. So the same, we're going to do our area of our base times our height. So we have to go 3.5 times 4, and then we times it by 5. And we can do that all in one. There you go, 4 times 3.5 times 5 divided by 3. Okay, and you just stick that into your calculator, and you get the answer of 23.3 centimeters cubed. All right, next one is the volume of a sphere. So that's a ball. Now there you're looking at the volume is equal to 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. What you'll probably get on your sheet is 4 divided by 3 times pi r cubed. You're going to get the same answer. So you can use whichever one you like. That's the one you'll get in the formula. So find the formula of a sphere with a radius of 3.2. So we go 4 times pi times our radius, which would be 3.2 cubed divided by 3. So let's see what that looks like. There we go. 4 times pi times 3.2 cubed divided by 3. And Bob's your uncle. There's your answer. Don't forget the centimeters. Don't forget the cubed. But what happens if we've thrown a bit of a curveball and we say, well, what about this as a hemisphere? You do exactly the same thing. Your 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. So you work it out as if it was a whole, as we would normally do. You get your answer, and then you divide that by 2 because it's only half. It's like being cut in half. So divide by 2, and you get 19.403. All right, I want you to go ahead and try this for me, guys, please.